Welcome back to the channel. As always, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know I'm doing a good job. I think it's getting better. We're still making progress, but it's getting better. It's got to be getting better. All right, today I've got 5 of the Chrono Toys weekly boxes. They're $11 a piece before shipping. I want to say it's like 15 after shipping. Last ones of these I actually opened. I actually did get a pretty good hit. I got $115 pop out of it, so I can't complain. It's making me keep buying them. So let's go ahead and start with box number 1. First pop we got pop animation one. I also cannot read what it says for the show, but it's Shinji. Not really sure. Evangelon. Looks like there's a sticker down there. No clue. Box number 2. Oh, we got a Michael Jordan pop. Special edition. Claire. Box looks to be in pretty good shape. Yeah, we'll take that. Star Wars one. Child with Cup, which I actually got out of one of their other boxes that I bought probably a month before this one. Box number 4. We get Nightmare Before Christmas. We got the Mirror. Box looks clean. Betting it's probably not worth a ton. Like I said, just a lot of Disney ones that I've seen, unless it's like a super rare deal, usually not very high up there in value. Box number 5. Another pop animation. Looks like that. Same show as earlier. The box is kind of beat up, not really so much square anymore. It's kind of rounded. Looks like Asuka is who it is. No clue what that's even about. So let's go ahead and see what we came out with for value-wise. The Mare from Nightmare Before Christmas, $8. The Child with the Cup, $7. And we'll check Jordan next. Jordan's worth 16. It's not bad. I'll try that one. This is the Shinji. $9. Then the Asuka, $10. So out of all in the day, that's the one, the only one that we came out ahead on. And after shipping, we only came ahead like $1. But that's how mystery boxes go. You win some, you lose some. As always, in the description, I'll link to my eBay store. Go ahead and check it out. See if there's anything you want to buy. Thanks for watching. That's all I got.